Prepositions are used in sentences to show the relationship between two things, and prepositions usually answer things like where, when, or how. I will give you one example before we look at some prepositions in more detail. The sentence is, the ball is on the table. Okay, what are the two things in the sentence? If you said ball and table, you are right. And on is the preposition. So can you see that the preposition told you the relation between the ball and the table? Okay, now let's review the prepositions at, in, on, which are prepositions of time. Be patient with your learning and practice every day, even if it's just 5 minutes.
I will eat my dinner at night. I will go to bed at 10:30. I read a book at bedtime. I eat lunch at noon.
I go to work in the morning. I study English in the afternoon. I eat dinner in the evening. I visit my family in February.
The preposition is on. I study on Sunday. I work on Monday morning. I visit the library on the weekend.
Now you can work on these worksheets. 1. I am waiting _ the bus stop. 2. She lives _ New York City. 3. We met the park. 4. The book is _ the table. 5. He works a hospital. 6. The party is _ Saturday night. 7. My keys are _ my bag. 8. We are sitting _ the kitchen. 9. The train arrives _ 9 o'clock. 10. She is standing _ the corner of the street.